What's up, people? So today was a crazy ass day. On my way to work, the sky was a little cloudy and stuff. By the time I got to work, you could tell it was like probably going to rain. So I started collecting the carts and stuff without anybody asking me, because I knew it was probably going to rain and it would suck to get carts when it's raining. So I did that, and uh, we went and started stocking and all of that. And then all of a sudden, uh, all the customers' phones were going off, and all of that going, brum, 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 like the alerts that you get on your phone. Normally, it's a uh, lost child alert or something like that. But it said tornado warning. So that caught everybody off guard because there was no tornado watch, let alone a thunderstorm warning. It was just instantly tornado warning, just out of nowhere. And it started raining really bad, and it got really dark outside, right? And then the lights started going on and off and on and off and on and off in the store. To the point where the lottery in the store no longer works now. It needs to be fixed. Um, Luckily, one didn't touch down here, but it touched down in the town next door to us, which is literally 10 minutes away. And somebody caught footage of it, of the start of it, here. So as you can see, like, it wasn't a huge, massive thing, but it was still pretty bad. And this is from the county fire department, of photos of the damage that it did afterwards. Here's the first photo here of a tree down. Um, this might take a little bit going through each picture. Okay. Then there's this tree down. Um, then there's this house that was damaged here. That one had to have been a direct hit from a tornado of that size, because it wasn't a massive tornado, that it had to have went like right on top of the house to do that type of damage, which sucks for the homeowners. Um, Close-up shot. So yeah, excuse me. No. She's trying to get the chicken bones that my mom forgot uh, on the table. This is somebody's fence here. It's pretty bad, man. And then this is the last photo that was taken of a tree just breaking off. So, yeah, very first tornado warning that we've ever gotten, um, with me actually at the store working at my job. My very first tornado warning while at work, and it actually wound up spawning a tornado. This freaking insane and a little bit scary. And the fact that it happens in November, literally Christmas is next month, You don't expect tornado shit happening in almost winter time in America. So that is insane to me. That's crazy. I don't know what to say to that, and I hope it does not happen again, especially not any closer than that. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I gotta go to bed. I'll see you later. Bye.